Did you know that you can link Bluetooth devices to your Fire Stick? Want to know how? Stay tuned. Welcome to DFM TV. I am Dan the Firestick Man, and on this video I am going to show you how to link Bluetooth devices to your Fire Stick. This is very useful, especially if you have a spouse that's ready to go to bed but you're not quite ready to go to bed yet and you want to watch TV in the same room. This is a great way to link up your Bluetooth earbuds or headphones, and then you can hear everything on your Fire Stick just through those headphones, not disturbing the person next to you. You can also link up keyboards if you like using the web browser within the Fire Stick, or even a mouse if you have a Bluetooth mouse. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing I like you guys to do is I like to go ahead and hit the home button, and you're going to go to the right to settings. You're going to go down, and you're going to go to the right to where it says controllers and Bluetooth devices. You're going to click on that, and here, if you have an additional remote control that you like to add to your Fire Stick, or you want to swap out a remote control from a different Fire Stick, you can do that here as well. You can do a game controller as well. If it's a Bluetooth game controller, you can do that here, so you can play some games on the Fire Stick if you choose to. And obviously the one that we're going to be focusing on today is other Bluetooth devices. All you would do is click on that, and then before you click on add Bluetooth device, you will set up the Bluetooth device that you want to connect it to pairing mode. So if you got some earbuds or headphones or a keyboard or a mouse, whatever it is that you want to hook up, you're going to set it to pairing mode. Each device is different, so look at the little manual for it. Sometimes it's just holding a certain button for a specific amount of time. And once you have those lights blinking, usually that's the case with Bluetooth devices, you got a blinking light. That's in pairing mode. At that point, you will go ahead and click on add Bluetooth device. And as you can see, right underneath me, it says searching for Bluetooth device. Refer to your Bluetooth device manual for instructions on how to make it discoverable, which is pretty much pairing mode. Okay, and once it's discovered, this will find it automatically. I'll give you an example. I happen to have a Bluetooth device, Bluetooth earbuds in my pocket. I wasn't going to use it for this video, but since we're here already, I am going to open that up, and it's going to go into pairing mode. And it's currently right now into pairing mode just by opening up these particular Bluetooth devices that I have. And in just a moment, well, there it is. Actually, I just found the Vizio V51s, and that right there is Bluetooth to my soundbar. This actually just connected to my cell phone. I have to turn off the Bluetooth on my cell phone. So that's another thing, guys. It's a good thing that I'm telling you this now. If you're trying to hook up a Bluetooth device to your Fire Stick, you have to turn off the Bluetooth feature on whatever you had it connected to prior. So for these earbuds that I have, they're Bluetooth earbuds, I haven't hooked up to my cell phone. So in order for it to pair up to my Fire Stick, I have to disable the Bluetooth off my cell phone so it doesn't connect automatically to my cell phone. Okay, so that's very important, because some of you will be, I can't connect, it won't connect. This because it's connecting to the device that you originally connected it to. So I am going to do that now. This is right now just picked up my soundbar. Okay, obviously if you have a soundbar or anything other Bluetooth device in your home, it's going to do that. So in my phone, real quick, while I'm making this video, I'm going to turn off the Bluetooth feature on my phone, and now we're going to do that again. We're going to go ahead and I'm going to hit cancel, and I'm going to hit add a Bluetooth device. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and open up, and it should come up. There you go, Bluetooth and BT. These are my Bluetooth earbuds right now, and obviously it also picked up my soundbar, okay, which is a Vizio. Now that's how you do it. It didn't pick it up originally because it was hooked up to my cell phone. Now here's another thing that you need to know if you're setting up Bluetooth devices to your Fire Stick, especially if it's something for sound like headphones or earbuds. Okay, let me close that up. At that point, you will go ahead and click on it. Just to let you know, you will click on it and then connect to it, and then you're good to go. And every time that you do that, it's going to do it. And then turning it off, it'll show you the options of turning it off. Right now, I'm just going to hit cancel. But one thing that you need to know, because I get this a lot from a lot of my customers, is that they call me up, Dan, I've got no sound at all on my Fire Stick. I got no sound. All of a sudden, sound went off. It's no different than when my child, like if I'm on the phone or I'm watching a YouTube video or something on my phone, and my Bluetooth are in my room, and my little one grabs my Bluetooth and opens the case, it automatically connects to my cell phone wherever I am in my house, and then all of a sudden I lose all the sound on my phone. I'm like, what happened? I'm bringing up and down the volume, and I have no sound on my phone, and it's because the sound is going through my Bluetooth that my son opened in the other room. So if you have Bluetooth devices hooked up to your Fire Stick, or you're planning to do this, and all of a sudden one day you have no audio on your Fire Stick, it has to do most of the time with your Bluetooth device that's on there. Okay, if you have no audio and you have no Bluetooth devices hooked up to your Fire Stick, then obviously it's another issue. But if you ever have a Bluetooth device plugged into this, you need to go to this setting and you need to go ahead and shut it off, and notice that all your audio will return to your Fire Stick and it will start running through your speakers on your television. That, my friends, is how you set up a Bluetooth device to your Fire Stick. I hope this video has been helpful. Please, before you go, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and ring that bell notification so you can continue to get helpful videos on your Fire Stick. I am Dan the Firestick Man. You are watching DFM TV. Until the next video, happy streaming.